Let's learn about relational operators in our programming language. So relational operators are those that find out the relation between two operands which are given to them. And the output of all relational operators in R is Boolean, that is either true or false. So you're already familiar with them. If you have learned any other language, you are already familiar with them. So first of all, let's look at this operator. Less than sign, and we can use it like this: a is less than b. It's very easy. And then greater than, a is greater than b, and equals to, that is used for comparison, and we can use it: a equals to b. And you're also familiar with less than and equals to, greater than and equals to, and not equals to. So I think you're already familiar with them. So less than equals to mean a is either less than or equals to b. If that is the case, this will be true. And then if a is either greater than or equals to b, if any of those is true, greater or equals to, then the value of this will be true, and so on. And this not operator means whatever the value is, the answer should be opposite. So it actually means that a is not equals to b. So if a and b are same, the answer should be false. If they are different, not equal, then the answer will be true. Let's see some examples of relational operators on vectors and matrices. Let's quickly create two vectors. So these are our two vectors, and let's perform the operations which we just learned. So x is greater than and equals to y, and let's see the output. And the output should be yes, 12 is greater than 3, true. 4 is not greater than but equals to true, and the operator that we have used is greater than or equals to, so that is true as well. And then 14 is not greater than or equal to 15, so the answer is false for that. And you can see this for different operators. Let's see it for two more, and then we will move toward matrices. So if we try this, x equals to y, the answer should be false for first and last value and true for the second element, right? 4 is equals to 4. And let's do that for not equals to. Now what should be the answer? The answer should be true for first and last value, but false for the middle value. And yes, that is the case. True for first and last value and false for the middle value. Now let's see these operations on matrices. For that, let's quickly create two matrices. These are our two matrices, and let's do greater than operator. S is greater than T. So you can see the operations will be performed element wise on all of these, on these two matrices, and you can display them too, or you can look at the values here. And you can perform all of these operations on them. For example, let's perform S equals to 2. And the answer is false for all the values because none of them are same, and it will be true if we perform the other one, not equals to t. It should be true for all, yeah. So relational operators are pretty easy.